Your breath hangs like glass. I-70 at 2 a.m., 30 Degramosu. A woman in white walks barefoot, hair whipping like blizzard knives. She stops under your headlights, lips blue, eyes glowing. "Warm me," she whispers. You crack the window. One kiss, your heartbeat turns to sleet. Dashcam freezes on her smile. By morning, the highway is empty except your car. Door open, seat iced over. She only hunts when Colorado breaks records. You felt that? She's outside right now. Comment now. Answer all 4. What temperature is it where you are? Would you open the window? Yes, no, tag the friend who'd freeze first. Type, "I survived," if you're watching in warm clothes.